all, the whole, and both in the English grammar. All, the whole, and both are used to refer to the entirety of a group of items or individuals. However, they have different uses and contexts in English grammar. 1. All is used to refer to the entire quantity or extent of something, whether it's a group, a collection, or a set of items. It is generally used with plural nouns or pronouns. For example, all the students passed the exam. I ate all the cookies. 2. The whole is used to refer to the entirety or complete extent of something as a single unit. It emphasizes that every part or aspect of the entity is being considered. It is often used with singular nouns. For example, I read the whole book in one sitting. He ate the whole pizza by himself. 3. Both is used to refer to two items or individuals together. It emphasizes that both of them are being considered as a pair or a unit. It is typically used with plural nouns or pronouns. For example, both of my parents attended the ceremony. They both agreed to the terms. In summary, all refers to the entire quantity or extent, the whole emphasizes the complete extent as a single unit, and both refers to two items or individuals together. The choice of which one to use depends on the specific context and the number of items or individuals being referred to.